So, for my science fair project, I am going to play a very simple game. It is called AI versus Human Intelligence Battle. Okay, so here is the process. I'm just going to read out all the notes that I have taken out. So here's a procedure. 6 trials of experimentation. It will be applied for adequate analyzation. Here are the independent variables. One is the number pattern problem dataset. The number problem dataset will be changed every trial. And number 2, the difficulty level of the number pattern problem. So, here's the specifics. 3 trials of difficulty level 3 pattern problems will be given to the human and AI. And also in the second column, we get 3 trials of difficulty level 7 pattern problems for the human and AI to solve, which will basically be a total of 6 trials of playing. The dependent variables are the number of seconds that both the AI and the human that will take to solve the number pattern, and will be also the accuracy percentage of each human and AI. So that's based on how many corrects and how many wrongs the AI and human gets. And the control variables, the things that never change, will be the AdaGrad training algorithm. The training algorithm will never change. It is the same solid AdaGrad training algorithm. The hardware processor environment is a 2.5 GHz Intel processor core version i5 CPU with a 16 GB RAM. And we're going to limit the console output to 100,000 characters buffer limit. And we're going to have the brain structure of the neural node, which will never change during the course of the test. It will be 19 layers of neural nodes with 7, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 4 nodes in each layer respectively. Total 19 layers of neural nodes. So here's the process. This is for the AI. 200 number sequences of arithmetic data sets will be generated per trial. And was generated per trial. Will be divided into 2 partitions with 1 remainder number sequence for the AI and human to solve. So here are the specifics. 176 random number sequences will be used for training for the AI, and 23 random number sequences will be used for validation processing for the AI to check while training. And the remainder number sequence, 1 number sequence, will be used for the final problem for the human and AI to solve. And this is number 4. When the human player is ready, the stopwatch would count down to 3 seconds, and the AI and human player would start solving the number pattern at the same time. So after 3 seconds, the human is going to run the AI, and then the human and AI will solve the number pattern immediately at that same time. And at number 5, step 5, if after both players are finished, we're going to record the time it took to solve the same number sequence, and whether if it's correct or not will be recorded in the PowerPoint. No, not the PowerPoint, in the Excel sheet. And also, it'll be recorded in seconds, not milliseconds, just average seconds. And here's another reminder. If the AI's answer is in the range between 0.02 and minus 0.02 relative to the original answer, then the AI would receive a correct, would be marked as a correct for this problem. So the AI is going to have is not going to be exact. He's not going to put a exact number. So what I figured out was that, why don't we give a range between 0.02 and negative 0.02 range based on the original answer. by the way, it's not that big. 0.02 is not that big. So I think it's going to be a good to go. Alright, so here's a number sequence. I have my notebook to solve the number pattern right there. And the AI is going to solve some number patterns. Alright, so I made this program yesterday of a pattern generator, or the game manager. So we're going to arbitrarily set the difficulty. Already set to 3, but let me set it again. Difficulty of 3. We're going to make it 3 trials, okay? So we're going to run it about one last time in order to generate a decent number pattern. And here are the number patterns. So I'm just going to close it again and just open it again. Alright, so here's a number pattern. I'm just going to copy this and put it into the right sequence. So there we go. This. And we're going to put the problem, which I'm going to solve it also. That and solve it for the problem. And there we go. So that's the problem. So I'm just going to how should I say this? I'm gonna make this very big for me to solve. No, not that big. There we go. Now let's make it bigger. There we go. So that is a problem. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the problem right now. Okay. So let me get my notebook and let's solve it. So I'm gonna wait 3 seconds with my timer or handy stopwatch. Is there a stopwatch? Must be. Nope, there's no stopwatch. I'll be right back. Got my stopwatch right here. And here's the thing. The computer will time itself. It's an automatic timer. As soon as I run, it's going to start timing. And for me, I'm just going to press the stopwatch, okay? Alright, so that's good. Alright. So, I'm ready to go. That's a problem. 2 swipes, okay. So, let's start. Round 1, difficulty 3 problem. Ready, set. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Why is your... Okay, that's plus 2 minus 2 plus 2. Minus plus 0.3. Boom, boom. Okay, 0.3. Okay, let's see how he goes. What? What? Take a look. Oh my god. Okay, let's record this. Seriously, it's 2 seconds. My god. Yeah, if you're suspicious that I'm changing time, let me run this again. Okay, count it. 0. It'll take 1 second now. Okay. 0. Look, 1 second. I'm not bluffing. I seriously ain't bluffing. If we round this to about like there, it's gonna be 0.3. It's very close. 0.2985. How close is that? And 1 second. Well, but it took him 2 seconds, so I got 1 minute and 41 seconds, so it's gonna be 101 seconds. So 101 seconds, and he took 2 seconds. Okay, and I got it right, and he also got it right. Oh, okay. So, second trial, we're going to generate the pattern again. So it's done. Give me the pattern. There we go. And here we go. We got the problems. That's right there. It's not a problem. It's not a pattern. I don't know. Let's take a look. It's not a problem. Alright, I'm just going to reset my timer. 0 seconds. try and analyze it. Just flip some pages. Blank page, no answer key, right? No answer key. And let's take a look. So I'm just gonna maximize this in order to see it clearly. Alright, so we're gonna go. Alright, so we're gonna start. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go. Oh no! 0, 0. So it must be 0.09. Did I get correct? Alright, how did you do? I think he did not do pretty well. 10, 11, 12. Nah, he did not do well. On this round, he did not do well. I think I am correct with he took only 1 second. Are you crazy? Nah, even though we subtracted, so I'm right, he's wrong, but you know, it took him 1 second. And it took me 1 minute and 53, so it's 1 minute and 50 seconds. So if you subtract 3 seconds, yeah. So it is 110 seconds. And I got it right, he got it wrong. Alright. You know what, why don't we... so he got this wrong, he can't figure out this pattern. Let's generate another pattern, see if it works. So, we have generated another pattern. And let's... Alright, so I am ready to go. Let's get this fast and quick. Alright, so, let's give it in. So, 3, 2... I'm all 0. I'm starting right now. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Go. Okay, so let's bam! Alright, 33 seconds. How did he do? Oh my god. He took 6 seconds. Crud. To be... I got 33 seconds, so it's 30 seconds minus 3. And he took 6 seconds. And I got it right, and he got it right. Alright, so starting from trial 6, trial 4, we're going to make it as difficulty of 7. It was 7, right? So let's take a look. Yeah, difficulty 7 pattern problem. So it's going to be difficulty of 7. Let's generate, let's not waste time. Oh, this seems hard. Okay. Alright, I'm excited. And here we go, we got the problem, which is right here. I hope this is not that... I hope this is a pattern, at least. Alright, so, let me save this. Just zoom it in. Just take a look. Okay, so, I'm going to restart my timer right there. And let's give it a go. Alright. This is the pattern. This is a problem pattern. So, I'm going to start right now. And 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Okay, let's see a difficulty 7 problem. Yeah, 0.65. Bam. How did you do? Oh my crud. 0.65, margin of minus 0.2, 0.2. Don't have to round this up. Even though it's rounded up, it's okay. 0.65, it took 3 seconds, and I took 1 minute and 25 seconds. Wow. Alright. So let's record this down. I got about... So minus 3, so it's 82 seconds. 82 seconds, and he took 3 seconds. We both got it right. Alright. Okay, so that's that. How many minutes? 27 minutes. Okay. Let's generate the pattern again. And here we go. Alright, so that is the problem set. I am going to zoom it in. And take a look. Seriously, this is a level 7 problem. No, this is a level 3. This is so easy. if I look at it. So, let's do this. I'm going to reset my timer. And I'm going to start. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. I didn't press anything. Right? 4. Damn. 1 minute and 40 seconds. How many seconds did you take? 4 seconds, and you are 0.36. Nah, but if you if you take a look at minus 0.02 and 0.02 margin, it is accurate enough. I don't know. Yeah, margin of 0.02. Yeah, I would say that this guy is correct. Okay, it took 4 seconds. So this guy is correct. This guy is correct. So it's going to be 1 minute and 37 because it's 1 minute 40 seconds. Subtract 3, it's 1 minute 37. So it's 97 seconds. And it took how many seconds? 4 seconds. 4 seconds. And I'm just gonna get it right, and this guy's gonna get it right. So the last round. It ain't that easy. It ain't that hard. Level 7. My God. Pattern gen. My God, it ain't that hard. Seriously. Okay, let's generate the pattern. I'm getting tired. We're almost there. And the problem. Here we go. Here's a problem. Whew. Okay, so let me just maximize my screen. There we go. One last round. All right, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, go. All right. What is this? All right. Damn. Oh, 1 minute. All right. There you go. How about you? It took you 14 seconds. Wow, it took him 14 seconds, but he got very accurate. 0.2. Exactly. 0.207. It doesn't matter. 0.2. All right. So it took him 14 seconds. I took 1 minute. Hey, you and I, we're getting the jacks, Betsy. So it is 60 seconds. Exactly 60 seconds. 0.4, but you know, it doesn't matter. 1 minute. And it took you 14 seconds. Wow, okay. And we both got it right. Alright. Whew! That's the rounds. Let's do a extra round. It's 4 o'clock. Let's do an extra round. Let's make it extra hard. Put some multiplication problems inside it. Let's see if it's multiplication problems anyways. So I'm just gonna let's generate the pattern. Let's take a look. This is Da Vinci Code. What the heck? Alright. So we got numbers. We got these numbers. And we're going to make it at the margin of 20. Let's make it 20. Step number is 20, okay? Let's generate the pattern. It's going to be a lot harder. Oh yeah, I feel the love. I feel the difficulty. Alright, let's see if the program can do this. Okay, so I am done with the problem. Do not try this at home, but I recommend you do, because it's going to be a hard problem. So I have set my timer. I don't know why I'm doing this. Get a new piece of paper. And ready to go, alright? Okay, my brain is freezing. Alright, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. What is this? What are those? Plus 14. Plus 14. Wow, okay. Plus 56. Not that hard. It ain't that hard. 3.56. 1 minute and 30 seconds. How many seconds did you take? 54 seconds. 3.56. Exactly 3.56. And you took 54 seconds. Woo! But still, you're fast. Alright, so that's the preliminary rounds. So yeah, it took me 1 minute and 30 seconds, and this guy took 54 seconds. But we both got the answer very correctly. As you can see, 3.56. And the time, 1 minute and 3 seconds, which is 90 seconds, over about 2 times slower than the computer. So that was the results, and the graphs and all the X's and O's will be recorded within about a couple of minutes. So that was how fast can humans catch up with AIs with number problems. Thank you.